Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram uh, and voice message problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section. Now next go to the search and search on Instagram. Next go to the storage, and here as you see we'll find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it works. If it didn't work, maybe try to restart your phone. If it didn't work again, you can maybe try to clear data, but be careful when you clear data. All your Instagrams data will be deleted. This includes all files, databases, settings, accounts, etc. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.